yeah, we're looking. All right. Here we go. Come on, one time. One time. That bottom one looks thick. Yeah. I added you some top loaders and stuff, man. I added you some of the thick ones too. $4.99. Your packages are sitting here, man. She hadn't come. She's lazy, dude. Anyway, she's not all about, she's not Grand Slam material. Is that the RPA? That's the RPA, dude. We're going to look at it last. We're going to set him right there. Emmett to $9.99. Ray Lewis to $2.99. I'm hoping that RPA looked like it could be Mahomes. It looked like I could have swore it was a quarter. Wait, maybe I'm wrong because that looks like an RPA too. Oh, we're gonna. Oh, I showed it. Okay, here, forget it. Michael Thomas, fabric of the game. Auto. Not many of those are autoed. Michael Thomas, fabric of the game auto. That might be the first one of those I've pulled. Oh wait, that's the pack that has the RPA. I'm thinking it could be Mahomes is what I'm hoping. There's a gold back there. $9.99. Ooh, Deshaun Watson be a 101. It's the number $3.99. Deshaun Watson. 79. Well, for you, Mike, if you want it shipped, it's 85. If you want it, actually, because that's a bunch of cards. If you just want to pick it up, if there's a hit or something, yeah. If I just mail something, a small flat rate, it's like $6. $4.99. $4.99. Phillip Rivers, too. Number to 99. Box has been different. It's got a Phillip Rivers. So we've had three. Okay, we've got 3 hits, and then we've got the RPA down here. We're open till at least 6, man. I'll probably be down here a little later. Melvin Gordon to 299. Keep wanting to put it on our hit stack. This is super thin. Look at that. Be cool if we got an extra hit. Randall Cobb to 499 and Khalil Mack. Here we go. Big boy time. Let's see what we got. We got a Michael Thomas, a Deshaun Watson. Can't be too greedy, but see how I see red? Come on, dude. 249. I don't think it's Mahomes. Kareem Hunt. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Pretty disgusting patch. I was hoping that was Mahomes. I could see, like, down there. Not too bad, man. A Michael Thomas, Phillip Rivers, Kareem Hunt. All right, fellas. I'm ready, man. I'm juiced up. I'm ready to pull something. Starting to Jones. Who wants a box? Anybody want a box? Okay, let's see. Horrible auto. What are you talking about? It's auto. You mean the actual auto, or you mean like the player? Okay. This is Jason. This is Jason. Yeah, he did that. I think maybe somebody signed those things. I don't know, because I've seen some where he's not signing like that. Okay, Brandon, Jason. Yeah, they're lazy, man. $99, Mike. That's my favorite. I don't know why. I just like it a lot. $99, bro. Me and you have had good luck, bro. What do you mean, man? I still don't know what you're talking about, dude. Can't sign a card. Are you talking about Michael Thomas? Which one are you talking about? You just a ray of sunshine, aren't you? I don't know if you're talking about the Thomas or what, dude. Yeah, it's lame. I already told you mine, dude. Mine's certified, but some of the guys, they like Donruss better. We have one Donruss left. By all means, either one, but I'm a certified guy. We've had some amazing stuff. That Fournette RPA is going down anyway, dude. I looked the other day. That dude, his stuff's going down. He's sitting right over here, but yeah, we pulled that one. Yeah, we got to get some positive mojo today. Let's see what we got here while everybody's deciding. All about making that money, dude. There's Dax. All right, Jason. Hey, Mike, are you in here? Mike Hessen? Okay, Brandon's doing last Donruss. Hey, did you send for the other one? Was it you that bought this one? No, the Tyreek Hill. Who just hit the Tyreek Hill? The Tyreek Hill was Brandon, right? Brandon W. Okay, yeah, Mike, that's fine. Just send the... Give me just a second. We got Brandon W hit this box. So Brandon W went to the last Donruss. Okay. Did you already pay for it, Brandon? Oh, Jason is doing Donruss. Okay. Give me a second. Jason's doing it? Oh, okay. I got you. So Jason's doing this one. And then, Mike, which one do you want? There's 8 up there. 4 front, 4 back. Okay, cool. Perfect. Cool. Which one you want, man? 4, 1 through 4, 5 through 8? Just tell me a number. Four. Got you, man. Showtime. All right. I'd been in a dry spell here, but we're about ready to. What time is it? Okay, we'll do Donruss first. Donruss is chasing. Let's go, Mike. All right, this is Jason. Good luck, buddy. Well, we're going to see if I was right or wrong, because I said certified. Brandon said Donruss. We're about ready to find out. Yeah, that dude was in here the other day. He asked me if I wanted that card to put in the product, and I was like, yeah, man. So. Flacco to 400. JJ. Carson Wentz. So Bucky. Troy Aikman to 75. Falk. And I'm down to 10%, guys. I'm gonna, after this one, I gotta hustle, man. Surely it'll be okay. What I'll do is, I'll go to the iPad for Mike's box, okay? Where's the iPad at? Oh, you know what? I think I have my Moki. Yeah, hold on. No, the camera. An idiot at Best Buy told me to buy iPhone 6. Yeah, I got an iPhone 7. Okay. Okay. We gotta go so we'll get his autograph. Solomon Thomas to 50. No, not yet. Not yet, man. I'm gonna try. Then you can pull it out of my product, man. Darbo. There's a Watt to 100. This player worn material. Okay, there's a Paxton Lynch to 99. Phillip Rivers. Okay. Yeah, good, man. Spread the word, bro. We're gonna let it marinate for a little bit, and then we're gonna put Derek Barnett on the back. Oh wait, I didn't finish this little stack, did I? Oh yeah. Okay. Auto. It's a Lion. Matthew Stafford auto. Number to 10. It's not bad. Matthew Stafford to 10. I got the AJ of this. AJ Green. Matthew Stafford. Not bad. Gurley. It's a shame this stuff doesn't sell for more. Dwayne Allen to 83. Elway. Kaiser. I mean, dude, every single box has had what I consider a legit auto. I mean, a Stafford to 10 isn't crazy, but I mean, still number to 10. No, I wouldn't say more, dude. Stafford. But I mean, I'd say, I was thinking more like 30, 40 bucks on eBay is what I'm thinking. But I could be wrong, and right now when they first come out too. But regardless, I mean, that's just one card. Somebody could check it, I'm sure. Howard to 400. I know, Adam Dunn. That's stupid. That is just stupid. Emmett. It's a beautiful card. I'd love to get an autograph like that. There's Dalton to 75 too. Lots of numbered cards. All right, that is all of our Donruss for today. We'll have 4 more tomorrow. We've already ran through like 22 Donruss now. I mean, golly. Okay, so this was Jason. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop off here, hop on my iPad so we don't run out. I'll be back in a minute. I'll give y'all a minute to catch it, but give me like 1 minute. I'll have the iPad. Bye.